Do you want to connect more with your Facebook audience? Facebook Stories is a great way to get out snippets of information, updates, and day-to-day behind the scenes of what's happening in your tourism business. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video, I will show you how to use Facebook Stories to connect with your audience for your tourism business. You can use Facebook Stories to show off so many sides to your business to potential customers, like your property, amenities, services, past customer experiences, and more. So let's get started. First, go to your Facebook page on the app, as the desktop version is limited. You can either upload an image or a video from your phone or start recording in the app. Let's create a story and show you how to use the different tools. In this example, we'll add a quick story for the Wild Trek hiking business. Here we have a short video, which we're going to turn into a story. You can add different stickers to your story. The location sticker is a great one to add to your story so people can easily tap the sticker and find where your business is. The sticker can be used when you're posting about stories, example, around your building or your grounds. You can also add a poll sticker to ask questions and interact with your followers. These can be fun polls such as this or that style, or they can be used to gather information from your customers and get their feedback. This is a great way to do some simple market research. In this story, we'll add a poll to see if people prefer hiking in the morning or the evening. Then add the two options, morning and evening, to see which your audience prefers. This is a great way to know if you should add more hikes on a certain time. You can then add some text to your photo or video, or even captions if you are talking, for those followers who are watching your stories on mute. The text feature on stories can be used to let followers know key information that is current and relevant, such as having a group hiking event. 70% of people watch videos on social media on mute, so it's a good idea to add text or captions so people watching know what's happening in your story. There is also an option to add music over your photo or video. Using music that relates to what is happening in the story, or music that relates to a time of year, for example, Christmas music, while you're showing your Christmas decorations. Once you've created your story, you can then click share. In other videos, we will cover more social media tips like this. I'll see you the next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at vaultireland.ie.